Supercharge your company store setup speed and deliver a modern online shopping experience to your customers in minutes. Level up your store offering with quick custom design, express product creation, and advanced e-commerce functionality. All print on demand. No minimum orders. No stock. No risk. Everything from onesies to bulk. Sent straight to print with production-ready art. Clicked, printed, shipped, tracked, easy. Find out more at shopblocks.com/company stores. Hi there. Welcome to the Shopblocks company store demo. Today, we are going to create a company store on Shopblocks in partnership with Dubow Textiles and Custom Gateway. The first step is to register a new account on Shopblocks. Now we have our new account. I just need to add a name and my business location. In the admin system, we can manage every aspect of our company store, from design to product inventory. Let's add some company details. Click Settings, Manage Site Settings, and here, let's add some business information. Once our business information is in the system, click Save, and let's head over to Block Lab to edit our design. To quickly launch a company store, let's activate a starter layout. Click View All Starter Layout and activate Company Store. You'll see your business details already pre-filled. Let's add some company colors. Once happy with your brand colors, click Save and Apply Now. Let's click your site to see how that looks. To add images and a company logo to our design, head to Block Lab and then click Homepage. To add an image, double-click the image element, upload or select a stock image from our library, and press Save and Close. To push changes to the live site, click Publish in the top right corner. To add your company logo, click Block Lab, Header, Branding, and click Logo. And select your logo. Once happy with this positioning, press Publish. To view the changes on your live site, click Your Site. Looks great. Now we have a design in place, let's add some Dubow products. In the admin system, click Plugins and install the Custom Gateway plugin. Add in your API key and company reference and select Use Product Image from Shopblocks. Press Save. And in the Print on Demand area, click Create Products Now. To use the virtual product creator, we need to set up off access. Let's do that in a few clicks. Great! All tested and working correctly. Now, let's set up our product categories. I'll select Dubow as my supplier blanks, and my Shopblocks account for my products. Now, Let's create some custom print-on-demand products. Here, in the Virtual Product Creator, you can create products using your own artwork. Click Start and begin to create your custom products using the Virtual Product Creator. Select your aspect ratio, upload an image or text to your design. Give it a name and description for your reference. Now, select Preview and edit your base products. When happy with your selections, click Create My Products. Your products have now been created on Custom Gateway. To avoid incorrect or blank product images, ensure your products are set up correctly and showing thumbnail images in Custom Gateway CPP before proceeding. Great! I can see the newly created products. If everything looks good, click Import your products into Shopblocks. Your products will then be imported into Shopblocks, where you can view and edit them in the Products area. On this product, let's change the price to $10, and then click View Product to see our products in the live company store. Our design and products are now looking great. Let's have a payment method to allow customers to purchase from our company store via credit or debit card, PayPal, Stripe, or on account. Now we have a payment method. The final step is to ensure our shipping is set up correctly. In the shipping settings, we can set up the cost and locations the company store delivers to, or even add preset locations where your customers can collect their items from. Great! The company store is now ready to go live. We can add a domain in the site settings area, or add further plugins to enhance the business-to-business functionality to the website in the plugins area. Additionally, if you have products that are not supplied by Dubow Textiles, we can add these separately, either with a bulk upload or on an ad hoc basis. Our support team is available to assist with any day-to-day store management. Thanks for watching.